What's up, guys? Starting this video same day that I did the other video. Didn't want to hear that beeping. But basically, today we are replacing the steering coupler. Mine is shot. And you can tell because I have so much play in this steering wheel. It is insane. So, down here, and let me get.
What the fuck do you mean, cut a strap?
Flashlight.
Are you fucking stupid?
And here is that part right there. So, you're gonna need an E12 socket, and probably an extension. So, you're gonna get that. Turn the wheel to get the other one, and then there's really only one way it goes back in. So yeah, let me get the tools that I need and I'll be right back. Oh, you fucking asshole. This camera strap is gonna be the death of me. Alright.
Did you hear how loud my stupid fucking car is?
Yep. I've been heard it.
That's like a half full start too. Imagine a full start. Jesus.
Alright. Hopefully this is gonna stay. But here is what I'm talking about. Oops. One bolt. Zach, you want to go turn the wheel real quick?
Simone, which way?
I don't know yet, so get in, just turn the key at like one position.
Yeah.
Not even one, actually. You should probably be able to.
I probably don't have to turn it.
Probably not. Nope. Go back and stop right there. Alright, so there's the second bolt. Okay, and then this comes out that way, I believe. Let me figure out how this is supposed to come out.
Hey, I have Harmony Cartons too.
What?
I have Harmony Cartons too.
Oh, good. Harmony Carton is nice.
I think it's someone to do.
Yeah. Turn the steering wheel straight again. Dumbass.
Fuck you.
Alright.
Is that straight?
Yeah. I have to figure out how to get this thing out. I'll be right back. Alright, so this is the old bushing out. You can tell it's kind of beat here and there, whatever. Here's a new one. So it was kind of a pain to take out. Yours might be too if it was rusted like mine. I just used some, obviously WD-40, and I got a hammer and this thing and just kind of hammered it out. So I'm gonna go and put this back in. So let me set up the camera again. So this is the part, right? This is only gonna go in one way. So turn the wheel?
Turn it?
Yeah.
Which way?
Buddy, I never know. Keep right there. A little bit more the other way. There you go. Alright, so now we got that back in. We can get back to reinstalling. And very straightforward. Alright, turn the wheel the other way. No, other way, my bad. Alright, keep going. Keep going, and right there.
Aren't you glad I'm here?
Yep. So I wanted to do it right now while you're still here. You want to spin it the other way again? God damn it. How do you keep forgetting that?
That way?
Yeah, a little bit more. Right there. Just gonna give it a little bit extra. Yeah. Alright. Turn the wheels straight. I think they are straight, right?
Yeah, that's kind of straight. A little cock to the left.
Well, put the steering wheel straight.
That's straight.
Alright.
Just like me.
Like us. We are like the furthest from straight. Huh? Anyways. Alright. So, I'm gonna go ahead and put the car back down. And then we'll check out the steering wheel play. Alright, so. I guess feels about the same, but it's locked, so there's that.
Stupid idiot.
Here's what I will do.
Cocaine.
Yeah, it's going back. Before, like, it would not go back.
It sounds better.
Yeah, like this actually is turning the wheel versus before it wasn't. Excellent. So now I can get the alignment done on this thing finally, because it's been like over a year that I haven't got one. Well,
I guess it's like
because there was so much play in it. If you're doing the steer, because you know you have to turn both wheels or whatever, and then like at center. There was no way to know. There's no way to know where the center is because there's so much play in the wheel.
Yeah.
So that fixed that. Alignment time probably next week. Gonna hit up the homie and see if he's got something available. But that is it for this quick video. If you're watching, appreciate it. If you're not, I also appreciate it. But you know, deal, like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content. And Zach,
I don't know, man.
see you later.
When we slide, we stay tapping on doors. Right on triple chrome, glide on them Vogues. Flip on a nigga around, baby, you in a row. Playing with these drums, cause I got them sticks. Trunk bumping in the street, screwed up with my clip. Let them see how out they going, up the blicks. Pray to God,